What's up, guys? Here we have a 2015 Ford Focus, and guess what? This baby's dead. All right. Now, every time we jump it up, it starts, but the battery dies. So today we're just gonna go ahead and take the battery out and replace the battery. So let's go ahead and do that. You wanna go open it for me?
Sure.
Awesome. All right. Now, the battery is located right there. What a convenient spot, right? You can't pull it straight up. So today we're going to show you how to take care of this. The first thing we need to do is we need to get a flathead screwdriver. Okay? We need to remove this air box out of the way. So in order for us to do that, we loosen up this clamp right here. All right, once the clamp is loose, you pull it back. You got it, Bubba?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Pull it back to take it off. Take this clip off, and to take it off, there's a little tab right there. Press that in and wiggle it out. Okay? You're also going to have this little plastic thing. You can push it out just like that. Okay? Once it's halfway out, just move it out of the way so it's not in your way. And next, we have this little belt thing, clamp, whatever, holding down the box. So take that out, and now you don't have to do anything else. This thing comes out as a whole. So can you go ahead and hold that? Just focus it like right there. You can grab it from both sides and just pull straight up. There we go. Make sure it unclips. One and two. See? Oh, our box is coming apart in the process. That's fine. This should come out as a whole. There you go. It attaches right here. Oh, that's right. You have a little grommet here and a little grommet right here. So that's where it attaches to. All right. Let's see. Put your box to the side. Next thing we need to do is we need to get the battery out, right? For us to do that, we need to take this clamp out. We're gonna get a 10 millimeter, and we're gonna go ahead and loosen up our positive cable. Just enough to get it, wiggle it out of here. All right, once we wiggle it out of here, we're gonna go ahead and pull up on this tab and kind of pull them apart, and bam, this is gonna come out as a whole. Okay, now the next thing we do is we're gonna loosen up the battery clamp, which should be right here, this thing right here. All right, let's loosen this up. Just loosen up so you can get one of the little nuts out of here. If you can, just move it to the side. I would suggest you do that, but I'm just gonna remove the whole thing. All right. Let's see. Yeah, let's just remove the whole thing. Let me see if I can lift up and move to the side. If you can do that, that should be good enough. Next, you can go ahead and stick your little ratchet in here. It's a 10 millimeter. Loosen this puppy up. I said just enough. You don't have to take the whole thing out, but just enough so you can wiggle this sucker out of here. Let's see. Pulling this out, and all right, so once you pull the battery out, ours was kind of rusted in place, so we went ahead and sprayed some WD-40 a little bit and then popped it out just like that. it to the side, lift the thing here, and this is how you remove the battery from your 2015 Ford Focus. All you gotta do is remove the airbox, and bam, you have access to it. Tools you need is just a 10mm socket. Let me see if I can show you. 10mm socket and a flathead screwdriver to loosen up this clamp right here. And the installation procedure is basically the same thing in reverse. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please, if you learned something, hit that like and subscribe today, and stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.